To address a Whirlpool oven error code F7, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The error code F7 is an indication that there's an issue with the oven's keypad. Common causes of this problem include system failure, a faulty electronic control board, ECB, or a defective keypad. To resolve the issue, several solutions can be attempted. Firstly, resetting the oven can be an effective approach. This involves turning off the oven, unplugging it from its power source, and leaving it for a minute before plugging it back in and switching it on to check if the error code persists. If the issue remains, replacing the ECB is the next step. This requires purchasing a new ECB, unplugging the appliance, removing its back cover, locating the control board, and removing it from its connectors and screws. The new ECB is then placed in the vacancy, screwed in, and plugged into the appropriate connectors before the oven's back cover is replaced. Alternatively, if the keypad is the problem, it can be replaced by unplugging the oven, removing the front panel, and using a heat gun to remove the plastic bezel and keypad membrane. Once any remaining adhesive is wiped away, a new keypad can be installed, and the bezel reattached, thereby resolving the error code F7 issue.